Emaqenjini ayishumi nesithupha azogijima kulomqhudelwano aqhamuka emazweni afana neFrance, iMozambique neZimbabwe, kanti ayisikhombisa amaqembu akulela azobamba iqhaza. Abaningi bakuthakasele kakhulu kuba ingxenye yalomqhudelwano.
I've been playing soccer for 20 years myself, and I find it a wonderful, fun way to stay fit because you forget you're exercising, you just have fun. And to me, this tournament is important because it brings together women who share our passion about football and shows the world that it's important to stay fit as you age.
Our team has really inspired a lot of grannies in our country. And as we finish this tournament and get back to Zambia, I think we are going to have a lot of teams in all the provinces.
Bazonikezwa indebe abazokhala bemuke nalomqhudelwano.
I'm excited. I didn't expect this. And we have 16 teams. We expected 21. But Malawi, Togo, they didn't come because of money. This is the first tournament ever in the world. And I still need support.
Abesifazane abaneminyaka engamashumi amahlanu kuya kwengaphezulu yibona bavumeleke ukuthi bangenele lomqhudelwano. Lomqhudelwano kulindeleke ukuthi usongwe ngoLwesithathu.